which pair of the following industrial products has a common raw material? A. Cement and H2SO4, that is tetroxysulfate 6 acid. B. Iron and aluminium. C. Margarine and soap. D. Sodium hydroxide and dyes. E. Plastic and rubber. Now let's look at the raw materials used in manufacturing each of the industrial products and see which one has a common raw material. Now cement is made using limestone, and then H2SO4 is made using sulfur, water, and then air. So you can see that the raw materials are not common, so this is not the answer to the question. Now option B, iron and aluminium. Now iron, both of them are made using ores, but the ores of iron is different from the ores of aluminium. So an example of iron ore is magnetite. Example of aluminium ore is bauxite. So you can see that these ores are not the same, so their raw materials are not common, so it is not the answer to the question. Now option C, margarine and soap, they both make use of oils, either vegetable oils or animal oils, oils of any form, lipids in general. So margarine and soap are both made using oils, they have a common raw material. Now option D, sodium hydroxide and dyes. Sodium hydroxide is made using the mercury cell setup, and then dyes are made using coal tar and other petroleum products, so they don't have common raw material. Now option E, plastic and rubber. Plastics are made using various material, but the most common one is cellulose, and then rubber is majorly made using latex. So as you can see, the raw materials are not the same, so this is also out. So as we have established here, margarine and soap are made using oils, which is a common material for both products. So option C, margarine and soap, is the correct answer to the question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.